Hi there, this is Nico from qTools, and I'm in my home office again today. And I'm going to show you how you can use the HTTP interface of our Entanglement Demonstrator to remote control the demonstrator and to maybe implement your own programs to control the motors, to record the count rates, and so on. And for this video, I have connected to the qTools office via VPN because I need to be in the local area network of the QCR. And also I have built up a webcam over there that looks down onto the optical part of the Entanglement Demonstrator, just so I can see the motors moving and see what's happening over there. If you want to implement this for a remote experiment for students, for example, you would of course need one student or one tutor on site in the lab, such that he can align the quED, switch on the laser, see that everything works fine with the webcam and the video conference and stuff like this. But other than that, the students can do the same stuff I do from here, from home, of course, if they have the VPN connection. So over here you see the VNC viewer window that I have opened. I used the VNC viewer in another video that you can access here. And so I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to close this. I'm using a normal browser to type in commands that will then communicate with the QCR through the HTTP interface. So if I just type in the local IP address over here and use the port 8080 and type enter, I'm going to see an error message that says request was not understood because I didn't type in any request, but I can see some help over here where you can see how a valid command is going to be built up. So let me just try that. So it says here valid actions are get and set. So let's start with action. Wait a minute. So let's start with action equals get, and I'm going to need a parameter as well. And in this case, I want to get the count rates. So I'm going to type and parameter equals C and T for count rate. And I press enter, and then I'm going to see in text form all the different count rates arrayed here. I see that I have in channel 0, I have 16,000, in channel 1, I have 14,000. Then I have some in channel 2, which is just the dark count because channel 2 is not connected to anything right now. And I don't have a fourth APD, so the channel 3 says 0. And then I'm also going to see all the possible coincidences between all the different channels that you can have. And then if you have some program that you want to implement this with, you can text parse this for to get all these numbers already. And we also can supply you with a kind of Python wrapper or a MATLAB wrapper for this, where you can have some simplified functions just doing the Python thing. And so let's try another command, for example, set, and the parameter would be motor 1, and then we're also going to need a value. So let's apply that as well. I want to set the motor 1 to 0 degrees. Type this, and it says it set motor 1 position to 0, and I can actually see that in the video feed as well. The motor has turned to the horizontal position. And I can of course also control the second one, set it to 0 as well, or to any other value I want. I can also type in non-integer things here like 22.5, and it's going to do that. Yeah, I think that's it from me for today. Just very quick overview. I think you'll get the idea. And if you have any more questions, just don't hesitate to contact us. We're always there for you. So yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.